Hi, I'm Dave from Roof Windows For You. So, you need a loft ladder. Before you choose the right one for your home, there's loads of things you need to know, and I'm going to break them down for you right now. Firstly, you need to know if your loft is suitable to accommodate the space that a loft ladder is going to take. Loft ladders, when they're closed, will take some space within your loft. This one, for example, is a folding loft ladder, and when it's closed, all the elements sit on the hatch itself, but some ladders, like sliding ladders, will need more space within the area. To keep installation as simple as possible, Facro loft ladders are offered in a set of standard sizes starting from around about 55 centimeters wide. A qualified installer can make any of the necessary adjustments to your joists. Not all loft ladders are the same. You might have some special requirements, for example, up to 120 minutes fire rating or greater load bearing. Or you might want to opt for a stylish scissor ladder which takes up far less space on the landing. Finally, you need to understand that installing a loft ladder is probably a two-man job. If you're experienced, you'll have no trouble with a Facro loft ladder. However, if you're unsure, we recommend you find a trusted local installer. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any other questions about loft ladders, just head over to roofwindowsforyou.co.uk where the team are waiting.